With recent introduction of Windows 11, Microsoft has also informed about mandatory requirement of TPM 2.0 for Windows 11 installation. TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is nothing but a chip which generate random RSA key or hash to encrypt or secure various aspect of a system, including firmware, operating system. There are multiple ways to check for TPM. One easiest way: open Run window and type tpm.msc. On the TPM window, click on TPM on local computer. It will show you details of installed TPM module. Check and confirm that the installed version is 2.0. The second way is to open your device manager. Under Security Devices you can see TPM module. If you can't find it, then probably your system doesn't have TPM, or else it maybe have been disabled from your BIOS.